Hi, today I'll cook beetroot soup. It's delicious and nutritious. 大家好，今天我要做红菜汤，它美味又营养丰富。I'll put the recipe at the end of the video. 我会把食谱放在视频的最后。Let's go， 我们开始吧。1 pound beef bone， 1磅牛骨肉。Wash off the blood， 洗掉血水。This way the soup won't have a bad odor， 这样煮的汤才不会有异味。So we need to wash it a few more times， 所以要多洗几遍。Beetroot, carrot, purple potato 甜菜根、胡萝卜、紫薯。Beetroot is a natural anti-inflammatory food with blood tonic and fatigue-regulating properties. 甜菜根是天然的抗炎食物，有补血和调节疲劳的作用。A purple potato， 一个紫色马铃薯。It contains abundant anthocyanins， 它含有丰富的花青素。Potatoes can thicken soup， 土豆可以让汤浓稠。Carotenoids can be converted into vitamin A in the body, thereby enhancing the body's immune function. 胡萝卜素可在体内转变成维生素 A， 从而增强机体免疫功能。Onion 洋葱。Eating onions can dilate blood vessels, lower blood pressure, lower blood lipids, and protect cardiovascular health. 常吃能够扩张血管，降低血压，降低血脂，保护心血管。Soak the chopped vegetables in water to avoid oxidation and discoloration. 把切好的蔬菜浸泡在水中，避免氧化变色。Beautiful food always makes people happy. 美食总让人很愉悦。We need 800 milliliters water. 我们要加大约800毫升水。Keep the purple potato 紫薯先不放。Add the beef bone 加入牛骨。Turn on the heat and cook the soup slowly. 打开炉火，慢慢煮汤。While waiting, grate the purple potatoes. 等待时，把紫薯磨成泥。The soup's been cooking for 15 minutes. 汤已煮了15分钟。Add mashed purple potatoes. 加入紫薯泥。Add black flowers and white fava beans. 加入黑花蚕豆和白色芸豆。Turn the heat down to medium-low. 把炉火调成中小火力。Cover the pot and cook for another 15 minutes. 盖上盖子，再煮15分钟。 Time is the best cook. 时间是最好的厨师。The soup gradually turns dark and thickens. 汤逐渐变成深色，变浓。This is chanterelle mushrooms. 这是鸡油菌。It has a very unique aroma. 它有非常独特的香味。We put it in the soup at the end. 我们在最后把它放入汤中。It should not be cooked for too long. 它不宜煮太久。And, of course, salt. This fairy. 当然还少不了盐，它是仙子哦。Boil for the last 2 minutes. And the mushrooms are also cooked. 最后煮2分钟，蘑菇也熟了。Now the soup is complete. 这道汤就完成了。Serve the soup on a plate. 把汤盛入盘中。The aroma of the steaming soup. 热气腾腾的汤，香气扑鼻。Delicious soup always reminds people of mom's taste. 美味的汤总让人想起妈妈的味道。Many childhood memories. 很多儿时的记忆。This is the basil leaf I planted. 这是我种的罗勒叶。Do you like it? 你们喜欢它吗？ I like to use it as a decoration. And it's also very fragrant. The color is super beautiful. 颜色超级漂亮。Although this is a family dish, the content inside is still very rich. 虽然这是道家庭料理，但里面内涵还很丰富呢。看，这是鸡油菌。Look, this is chicken chanterelle. Beetroots, carrots become very soft. 甜菜根和胡萝卜变得很柔软。The taste is sweet and the color is charming. 味道甜美，颜色迷人。汤汁颜色像深红的葡萄酒一样。The color of the soup is like deep red wine. Beef bones are also very tender, with a fragrance of onions. 豆子很可爱。The beans are very cute. This is a high-protein food. 这是高蛋白食物啊。The soup is so delicious. It's a complex and sweet taste that combines vegetables and beef. 汤太好喝了，是一种复合了蔬菜和牛肉的复杂的甜美滋味。Welcome everyone to discuss in the comment section. Which soup is your favorite? 欢迎大家在评论区讨论，哪种汤是你的最爱？请订阅我的频道，谢谢，下次再见。Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you again next time.